Hello, witch folk. Welcome to our coven.
We're Angels on Broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo.
And we love the makeup.
I'm Kristen.
And I'm Evangeline. And today we have the Melt Cosmetics Electrip palette, which is their newest release. Mm-hmm. You bought it. You've used it. Super fun.
I think it's super wearable.
Yeah.
Like, it's not really trippy. Like, they're a radioactive palette, which I have. It's much more the festival vibes they're going for, but
yeah,
this one, like, you can make it look pretty natural.
Yeah.
But I want to make it look like I'm going to a festival. Yeah. Because they come with these lip glosses things that are really crazy colors.
And this kaleidoscope body glitter pot.
Which
I'm unconvinced about its existence and why they did that, but okay.
Well, back in the aughts, like in the days of the Spice Girls, even I was wearing body glitter.
Oh, yeah?
But I feel like they stopped doing that because of the oceans.
Oh, well, hopefully it's ocean safe. I don't know. Maybe it's biodegradable.
I don't think so. I'm kind of on I love it, but you shouldn't be wearing it.
No. Yeah. So anyway, I think I'm gonna attempt to do a little bit more than just boring old look. Yeah, I showed it. Also,
you've probably seen it.
Yeah, you've seen it. This is an interesting shade. It looks like a very light peach, but when you swatch it, it's more like a topper. I'm so intrigued by that, but I think I'm going to challenge myself to do something a little smokier today, because on camera, I've been keeping it safe. I've been playing it safe to keep up with you, little Miss Fast.
Crazy.
Speedy Gonzales over there.
I've never used the blue yet. There's a galactic blue. Achoo. That's so cute.
That's my polite sneeze for you guys.
But you know my favorite color combo, and I did it for the day, is the brown with the blue. I remember back in the 80s I had a little duo from Lancome, and it was black or brown and blue. Nice. And I was like afraid to use the blue.
Oh, it's a good
because I was so scared back then. Yeah. Now I'm like, yes, blue.
Also, our complexions, we already did in another video, which may be coming out before or after this, not so sure, but keep an eye out for that. We went really in depth of our sort of recent base routine / experimentalness with our base. So yeah, and now this is us finishing off our looks. I'm going to start in with this orangey Bang with an H. And that will be my kind of transition shade.
I'm going to go in with the blue, pseudo. It's a bluey green moment. I'm just going to put it on my outer eye.
I'm happy Melt is still, though, doing this format of palette. Because it's definitely my favorite. It's just like the perfect amount of shades. They all fit together so nicely, you know?
And it's so funny because, like, anybody else who does that tall rectangle, I don't like, except for...
Really?
It's not my favorite. I like squares or circles.
Circles?
I do. It's the kind of pop.
Excuse me.
But squares are the best, right?
I like this. I love this.
Well, I like this because it's the only one that I like. Except for the new Ace Beauté has the new line, I think there's 4 or 5. Yeah. It's like a floral story. It looks so nice. And they're the really long lines, like urban, like, who is it? The Naked palettes. Those are too skinny.
There's creepy sounds. There's ghosts. Okay, I'm going to go into deepening it with Reefer.
I'm going to be deepening with Reefer as well on the outer corner.
Yeah, I'm going to sort of go along the lash line first and then start bringing it out.
It's the deepest shade here. I think it's very utilitarian. It goes well with all the colors, I think. Yeah. I'm just like doing it on the base of the lashes, like, and winging it out.
Yeah, I'm kind of doing the exact same thing.
I think what festival would you ever go to? I went to the very first Lollapalooza.
Oh, yeah?
I went to the first and the second. I have the t-shirt.
When was that?
Like, you weren't even born.
Oh.
I want to say 91 and 92 was one.
I have been to Osheaga, but that's kind of the only festival, except for very small ones. I don't have any desire in my body to go to, like, Coachella or anything. No,
It looks so awful.
Oh, no.
Like, I'm not, because, like, the bands that play at Coachella, what do you think?
I don't know. I don't know who plays.
I don't want to say anything bad, but, like,
There's all kinds of people who play there, no?
not for me. Not for me.
No.
And I know I'm old, but listen, our son, his friend went to Coachella, and he got me really excited, and he put something in his story, because I follow him on Instagram, and he said, the Smiths. And I was like, what? The Smiths played at Coachella? And then it's Jaden and frickin' Elaine Smith, or whatever her name is.
Oh, not the Smith.
Why do I say Elaine? That's not her name, but you know who I
Willow?
mean. Willow.
Elaine?
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay.
That's not the Smiths.
No. Oh no, it's the Smiths for the Gen Zs.
I know, it is. That's what made me sad. Not that I have anything against... I actually like Willow Smith.
Yeah.
But I don't like Jaden Smith.
You guys are not the Smiths.
Yeah, and you're not the Smiths. Sorry. I think I'm going to go in with my fingy and just bite the bullet here and go in with the Blue Heaven. And this is sort of my look. I'm not going to do it too crazy or intricate.
I'm going to go in with Far Out. Sort of pewter. Right here. This is a kind of shade that I really like when Melt does. So it's very grungy.
Ooh, I like it.
And then I think I'll go in with Saturn. That sort of looks like nothing when you put it on. Ooh, and then you put it on your eye, and there she is. There she is. You never know if you never try. You never try if you never know.
So true. We have to have a t-shirts with that. I know.
Oh my god, totally. I said that for years, and then I rewatched Broad City recently. I was like, oh, okay, that's where I got this from.
Oh, you didn't know where you got it from?
I would say it often. You never know.
Oh, you never try. I know. I feel like even sticking my finger in there too, seeing what it looked like.
Also, rewatching Broad City recently, I realized just where I got so much of my weirdness from.
Oh, you
It's
did?
the way I speak to my Naki like this. It's all like from Alana.
Okay. I'm going to do something crazy.
Crazy?
Oh, I love this eye look. But I think I have to do it. Okay, I have this Melt. This is from Melt. And it's, what's this say? Australia? What's that even mean?
That's the name. Estrella.
It's a gold. Okay, I saw this on this morning on an Instagram. Nikki, makeup artist, did these little lashes that went down like a sunburst under the eyes.
Who's good?
Doing it because I'm going to.
Well, I guess you're going festival, right?
I'm going to festival, baby.
I'm not going to a festival. I'm just kind of going between all the shades I've mentioned and just kind of adding, blending.
I know what everyone's going to say. I'm too old for this.
Yeah.
I'm too old for this because I don't have I have the skin, so I'm only going to do 3 lines, like a tiger or something, like their whiskers. You probably can't even see it. Can you even see it?
Oh, I can see. That is definitely festival.
It's a vibe. I'm going to repeat on the other side. Oh, it's like parallel parking on the other side of the street. I can't do it.
It's always how it is with like liner, stuff like that.
Well, I made a slight mess, but the rest of the eyes is nice. Maybe I can enhance it with this Magic Mush goldy green color. Did you use it?
No.
Okay. I need mascara really badly. I
okay.
can't live.
Me too. Let's do mascara and finish off these crazy looks. Okay. We've got the lashes on, and it's definitely bringing the looks together. You're saying this might be one of your favorite Melt palettes.
I really do think it's great.
It's more versatile than you kind of like might initially think.
Yeah, and I definitely would not sleep on it because you've got some colors they don't usually put out. Like they do have the Blueprint palette and some blues in the Myrte palette, which isn't, I don't think, existing anymore. But they definitely don't have this bluey purple.
Yeah.
Did you use that? No.
No. I liked what I used. I'm really interested in this one here. Ooh, chartreuse.
I used it on my.
Right.
But I
Festival.
used something first. I used the melt gold thing. We're gonna do our lips.
Yeah, I initially wanted to do like a brown lip, but I'm gonna do one of these wacky old lips.
I'm doing the green because. When else are you gonna do?
Yeah,
green?
I guess.
But
This
I'm
is
gonna still
orange.
use Endless Cacao.
I don't know how I feel about the metallicness as well. I'm a little concerned. Let's go. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, God.
What's wrong?
I don't. I think it's funny.
Ooh, I like it. Look at it. Ooh, I love this. Oh my God, Amy. I'm in love with this. Okay, so let it dry. It dries, you know.
Yeah. Oh, my Lord. Okay, I did this for you guys. I'm not a fan.
I'm a fan.
It's costumey. It's costumey, it's all.
I love it.
I'd never wear this.
I would.
Where?
To the festival.
To the festival. Okay, fine. To the festival we go. Hi ho, hi ho. This is
For Midsummer.
insane. It's so metallic and sparkly. Look.
It's gorgeous.
I think a brown look would have been nicer, but I needed to show you. Here you go. These are the finished looks. Did you guys pick up this palette? Are you thinking of it? I highly recommend the palette. These are only for if you want to have some fun and you're trying to create an effect, or you just love fun lip shades.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't think if you wanted to buy the whole collection,
No.
just know that
I
that's
wanted
what you're
the
getting.
fanny pack, though.
Yes, I saw that. I'm kind of jealous.
And it
of
was
that.
on sale, and it was like, everything was 30% off.
Hmm.
But I would say, okay, this is the glitter. I
Yeah.
am going to put it on,
Where?
even though I don't believe that you should. My hair, cover it
Oh
up.
my God. Are you showering tonight?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I'm going to cover up what I did with the complexion.
It's fun to do it in your hair. I never would have thought that.
I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Love these lip balms.
Balms. It's just a gentle
They're
tinted
bee-
lip balm.
Yeah. Just a yeah. These are fun.
They have a scent.
But they also like.
Oh, I called that. You went in there too swiftly.
You can paint with them.
Okay. Yeah, if you want to do some face paint, yeah. You're not going to remove that? Let Toasty know in the comments down below. Let Toasty know. Let Toasty know. Let Toasty know in the comments down below. Okay, you succeeded? You succeeded?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I kind of underpainted a blue nose.
I have no recollection of what we were saying, but
You said they smell,
they smell. Oh yeah, that's it.
and I went. And
So yeah. Let us know what your thoughts are. And I think that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Stay witchy, stay bitchy. Have a good week.
Bye,
witches.